Science revision can feel like death by flashcards. Trust me, I know. But the thing is, you don't need to memorize everything. You just need to memorize smart. Here is how to get top grades without drowning in facts. My first point here is knowing the spec equals knowing the game. Every single question comes from the spec. They're not going to give you a question outside of your specification sheet. Go to your exam board's website, print out the specification, and treat it like a checklist. For each topic, ask yourself, do I really understand this? Or have I just seen it before? Make sure you don't make the mistake of thinking, oh, I know this, when you've only just seen it before. Turn each bullet point into a question and quiz yourself. For example, if your spec sheet says, describe the process of mitosis, ask yourself if you can do that from memory. Or in fact, try to do it from memory. If you cannot do that, then that is your target. There is no guesswork. Guessing work is not great for science. For any subject. My second point is to focus a little bit of time on required practicals. Required practicals are gold, okay? They come up every year and students still skip them. Don't just memorize the method, try to understand the why. Like, why do we use a water bath in the enzyme experiment? Because enzymes have an optimum temperature. Learn the setup, learn the variables, and what could possibly go wrong. You can almost predict the 6 markers. My third point is to use dual coding. Don't just write notes, okay? Draw them. Flowcharts, diagrams, annotated pictures. Your brain loves visuals. For physics, draw forces. For biology, draw cells. For chemistry, draw energy profiles. A bonus tip, if you can explain a diagram to somebody else, you already know it. My fourth point is to practice paper strategy. Do past papers by topics first. Use websites like Physics and Maths Tutor, and once you're confident, do full papers under timed conditions. And don't just mark them. Annotate the mark scheme. Ask questions like, why did I lose that mark? What exact word do they want me to use? Another secret to getting a high grade in GCSE Science is using the keywords that they want you to use. You don't need to memorize the whole textbook, okay? You just need to master what matters. If this helped, don't forget to subscribe, and my next video is how to actually remember everything without going insane. Thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you again shortly.